I'm 18 years old and I'm a full-time options trader. In this video, I'm going to explain my strategy in depth. It's going to be a little bit long, but it's going to be super helpful. So first I go to TradingView and I'm going to scan for stocks that are about to make explosive moves by hitting the screener button here. It should pop up a screener. We're going to hit index, S&P 500. We're going to hit the plus button, type in VOL, hit average volume, add filter, go back to it, manual setup, and then type in 10 million, 10, 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That should pop up around 50 to 70 stocks that you can trade options with. So now we are going to sort these out by hitting the line button right here, area, candles, change it to the 1M. So literally what I'm looking for is either the stock basing in a certain level, and then we explode out of that level, and I'll be entering in about right here. Or for example, if we were to reject off of a certain level, like Walmart here, for example, we rejected off of this level. And then when we did pass this level, we saw a big explosive move, as you guys can see. And this happens time and time again. For example, if I see ZOM break out of this range right here, right as we cross this line, we can see a huge move. So basically, I'm a breakout trader. I find a level where it is a psychological level that many times in the past we reject off this level multiple times. And then when I see a stock uptrending up to this level, thinking that we're going to break out, I add it to my watch list. And then I set an alert. So if the stock passes this level, I literally get a notification. And when it does, guys, I enter into the position and it absolutely explodes, because we're guaranteed for an explosion after we break out of this level if we break out and we don't hold it as resistance. As you guys can see, that we reject off of this level in the previous day, guys. Look at this. Reject off this level, and we do it in the past year 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. So once you marked out that level, you want to head over to the 5-minute chart, and you want to make sure you have pre-market, aftermarket into your chart. Going down settings here, session, add extended trading hours. All right. So what I'm looking for is that this line to be broken out with a 5-minute momentum candle, a candle with a huge body and a little wick, being the first 5-minute candle market open. So as you guys can see, that's exactly what happened. And I wait for the 5-minute candle to close. As soon as it closes, guys, I enter into my long position, putting my stop loss tight. If it is a momentum candle, it should keep on going up. If it doesn't keep on going up, we'll just take a tiny loss. As you guys can see, this was 10 to 1 risk reward. But here's the most important part about the strategy, guys. So we don't know how long we're going to go up until it fakes out. As you guys can see, it faked out like crazy. So here's what you want to do. You want to start scaling out on the way up. 30% gain, 50% gain, 70% gain, 100% gain on these option contracts. You want to be selling half, selling half, selling half, selling half until you're fully scaled out. I made about 10K in profits last month alone, literally only using this PRB strategy. So if you guys want to know my exact checklist completely for free, I'm not going to gatekeep. Comment PRB and I'll send it to you completely for free.